Hi, I'm Minnesota. This video is for the Pick 3 Pi method variations that I like to do sometimes. The method is just taking the first 6 digits of pi, which are 314 and 159. I then tested about a month prior to see if we can figure out the potential numbers in the next 7 days. And then so for Minnesota, your state seems to like Sundays. The adjustments are +1, -1, and +2. On January 7th, you had 120 hit. You're going to add 314, so 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 0 plus 4 is 4. So 434 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also subtract off 314, so 11 minus 3 is 8, 2 minus 1 is 1, and then 10 minus 4 is 6. So 816 also did not hit in the next 7 days. I'm going to take 434, which you got from up here. 434 plus 159, so 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, and then 4 plus 9 is 3, so 583. And same thing, subtract off 159 and you still get the 385. And so 583 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to take 816 and also add 159. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 1 plus 5 is 6. And then 6 plus 9 is 15. Keep the 5. 965 did not hit in the next 7 days. You also subtract off 159. So 8 minus 1 is 7. 11 minus 5 is 6. And 16 minus 9 is 7. So 767. Subtract off 1 off the 6 there. Bring down the 7s, and that 757, and that did hit on January 10th. And then you're going to mirror the 120 to 675. 6 plus 3 is 9. 7 plus 1 is 8. And then 5 plus 4 is 9. So 989 did not hit in the next 7 days. You also subtract off 314, so 6 minus 3 is 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. And then 5 minus 4 is 1. You're going to add 2 to that last one there, so 363, and that was a box hit on January 8th. You're going to take 989. You're going to add 159, so 9 plus 1 is 10, keep the 0. 8 plus 5 is 13, keep the 3. And then 9 plus 9 is 18, keep the 8. And then same thing, subtract off 159, and that still is going to give you 830, and that was a box hit on January 12th. If I did state, I don't think I said 038 didn't hit right there, but if I did say that, I misspoke, so 830 was a box hit on January 12th. I'm going to take 361. And then add 159, so 3 plus 1 is 4, 6 plus 5 is 11, keep the 1, and then 1 plus 9 is 10, keep the 0, and then 361 minus 159, so 3 minus 1 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1, and then 11 minus 9 is 2, so 410, and 212 did not hit in the next 7 days. So from this point, I'm just going to show you what did hit and not what did not hit. So on January 14th, you had 504 hit. I'm going to subtract off 314, so 5 minus 3 is 2. 10 minus 1 is 9. And then 4 minus 4 is 0. You're going to take 1 off the 9 and 290, so bring down 20. Subtract off 1 from the 9, and that's 280, and that did hit on January 16th. Okay, and then on January 21st, you had 424 hit, so you're going to do add 314. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 4 plus 4 is 8. You're going to add 2 to the 8 there, so bring down 7, 3. Add 2 to 8, and that's 7, 3, 0. And that's because 8 plus 2 is 10, so you're going to keep the 0 on that. So that was a box hit on January 28th. On January 28th, 370 hit. You're going to subtract off 314, so 3 minus 3 is 0. 7 minus 1 is 6, and then 10 minus 4 is 6. And then 0, 6, 6 plus 159, so 0 plus 1 is 1. 6 plus 5 is 11, keep the 1, and then 6 plus 9 is 15, keep the 5. You're going to bring down the 11 there, and then 5 plus 1 is 6, so 116, and that was a box hit on January 31st. On January 28th, you're still going to be taking 066 and then subtract off 159. So 10 minus 1 is 9, 6 minus 5 is 1, and then 16 minus 9 is 7. And then you're going to subtract off 1 from the 9 there, so that's 8, and then bring down the 17, and then that was a straight hit on February 3rd. On February 4th, you had 929 hit. 929 plus 314. 9 plus 3 is 12. Keep the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 9 plus 4 is 13. Keep the 3. You're going to add 159 to 233. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. And then 3 plus 9 is... Okay, so it looks like I added incorrectly there. Let's see. So let's just keep it like, so 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, and then that third column, let's just keep it as, let's just subtract off 9 to make that 384, to just illustrate this. So 13 minus 9 on that last column would be 384. You're going to add, or you're going to subtract off 1, and then that was a box hit on 284. So sometimes these states are tricky, so you got to do tricks like that sometimes. So keep that in mind. You're going to subtract off 159 from 233. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 13 minus 5 is 8, and then 13 minus 9 is 4. So 184. And then add 1 to that, and that's 284 also. So, all right. Also on February 4th, you're going to mirror 929 to 474. 4 minus 3 is 1. 7 minus 1 is 6, and then 4 minus 4 is 0. So 160. You're going to subtract off 1 from 6, bring that down. To make 5, and then bring down the 10, and then 150 did hit on February 7th. And then you're going to take 160, you're going to add 159, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 6 plus 5 is 11, keep the 1, and then 0 plus 9 is, so it's 2, 1, 9. Add 1 to the 9, bring down 2, 1, so 9 plus 1 is 10, keep the 0, and that was a box hit on February 6th. So based on all of that, the potential numbers in the next 7 days, you're going to use the number, the 359 that hit tonight. You're going to mirror that to 804, and then I did circle the numbers, but I will do a brief summary at the very end also. So 804 minus 314, so 8 minus 3 is 5, 10 minus 1 is 9, and then 4 minus 4 is 0, and then 590, you're going to subtract off the 1 from the 9, so bring down 8, bring down 50, and that's 580, and then you're going to add 159, so 5 plus 1 is 6, 8 plus 5 is 13, keep the 3, and then 0 plus 9 is 9. So 639. We're going to still be mirroring, so 804 plus 314, 8 plus 3 is 11, keep the 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 4 plus 4 is 8. I'm going to take 118, subtract off 159, so 1 minus 1 is 0. 11 minus 5 is 6, and then 18 minus 9 is 9, so 069. And then we're going to take 359, subtract off 314, so 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4, and then 9 minus 4 is 5. And then subtract off 1 from the 3, and then bring down 0.5, so 0.35. 0.45, you're going to take 159 off of it. 10 minus 1 is 9. 14 minus 5 is 9, and then 15 minus 9 is 6. Subtract off 1 from the 996 there, so bring down 9, the first and third digit there, the 96. Subtract off 1 from the middle 9 there, and that's 986. We're going to also take 0.45, which you got from up here. We're going to take that one. 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 plus 5 is 9, and then 5 plus 9 is 14, so 194. And then you're going to take 359, you're going to add 314, so 3 plus 3 is 6, 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 9 plus 4 is 13, keep the 3. You're going to take 663, you're going to bring down 66, and then add 2 to the 3, so 665. And then based on all of that, the potential numbers in the next 7 days are 665, 986, 639, 580, 035, 069, and 194. For me personally, I really like doubles, so I'd probably go with 665, but that's just me. The other thing is that these numbers may not fall exactly like this. They might go 1 up, 2 up, or 1 down, 2 down. So for an example, let's use 639. That might turn into 649, 630, 631, 632, or 638, 637, 636. And then just for another example, let's go with 069. So that could turn into 060, 061, 068, and 067. Or any of these numbers could do the same thing. So keep that in mind. And then that's pretty much it. If you do have any questions, just let me know in the comments.